says that n is inversely proportional to m squared, and n is equal to 5 when m is equal to 3. Find a formula for n in terms of m, and b, find the value of n when m is equal to 5. So it's a pretty straight standard proportional question or variation question. So we say that n is proportional to, now when we say inversely proportional, that means it's proportional to 1 over, and it's m squared in this case. If that is true, then n will be equal to some constant divided by m squared, and we have to find that constant. And we find that constant by using this information here. So when n is 5, m is 3, substitute in, we get 5 is equal to k divided by 3 squared. Don't forget it's m squared, so we need to put 3 squared. That gives you that 5 is equal to k over 9, and then k will be equal to 45. So now rewriting our formula, this formula here, but changing k to 45, we're going to get that n is equal to 45 over m squared. Right, now we have to find the value of n when m is 5, so we substitute 5 into our formula. So when m is 5, n will be 45 divided by 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, so it's 45 over 25, and that cancels down to 9 over 5, or 1.8. So this has been a video to show you how to do variation where we got one variable is inversely proportional to the square of the other. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.